taura taura kachama
sokutanga
wanga uchiti chiya
measure E takanzwa song yako 1 measure E in decibel
nonzi
ndiani who is the big man mkuru ndiani
saka
ramba muchikontinya mndara mukusira apana kunongwa chitimbira public muriko zvino
babugram chichirechi
music yekuti tikatsenga nhasi mangwana tikaitsenga 3 minutes toisvipira pasi haicharira futi
saka ndana kuimba babugram music
vese winky d vese apana variko mazuva ano vese vari kuimba raga vari kuti raga haisi raga yaibon grooves mabon grooves veida kuimba
babugram music
yeah
saka vanoda kutoitwa something
muitai something dzoka izvirunda si apana vachitora tumasensi twedu muripo
chinonetsa ndechekudayoka ini ndakavachuna vanhu vacho because vanhu vairidza imwe sound system yakasiyana nedu vafana kutaura nemafanzi avo
aiwa mndara isi titori vamwe venyu mndara chiuyayo kunoku muchitiro something taneta neafana tikutokuhwelai mutone vanhu vobva kutokudai vatotonzwa kuti muchiri kupi havasi kuziziva haziziyai kuti hatikukanganwe muchiripo
handito
thank you very much
thank you very much Mr. Chikudi kochef Chodza zvirisei ko music yatiri kunzwa mazuva ano unakidze uyu nomuziya here uyu this man right here anoimba kairi mubvunzo tinonzani
Yagga.
matichi
Yagga.
une music here
Yeah. Now I've got 2 albums. My first album, 16 tracks.
16 tracks
Yeah, man. And then my latest one is 14. And the new single, number 15, the one I just gave you. Same.
but you could eat where the Power FM
Yeah, it's being played on Power FM. I started to sell my music in 2003. So now I've sold over 10,000 units. I've got 2 videos. And I've got a live video come on soon.
kwikoko kunonzi kuengland havakuziye kaniyaka zvikufamba sei england kwanana canada but england kwakazara mazimba akawanda
Yeah, 1 or 2 people know me still, but I'm still growing, you know. The sky is the limit.
isayaka mavhidhiyo enyu ka payoutube
Yeah, man, definitely soon.
Mad Marvin
Big up Mad Malvin.
saka muda kuti aseni muda uzomboendawo ukoko uko ima munambogara kuforeign ine
Yeah, I've been foreign, yeah.
kupi
Chicago.
ndova maigara
Yeah, man.
chicago kwainzi chiere
South side, Chicago.
but nofanira kuti akaizita hanini zvamana ndindogara kutoronto ka
Yeah.
but ndogara east side toronto same time inokunonzi scarborough
Yeah, but the south side of America is different now. South side is just at the south side of Chicago. So it's a big stretch. It depends on what street you're there. You can be 35th Street, 35th Street, and then...
ayo but muri kuona kafanika kunoku handisvika kumbare kunoku
Yeah, man.
mbare kunoku kune maareas mangani kune masuburbs mangani mumbare chiti
Yeah, man. Well, I'll call it Cook County. In America, they have counties called Cook County.
aiwa kumbare kakunoku handisvika kune mabritish cottages kobva kwaya kuchidhaka kobva kwaya kwamarowa handiti kobva kwaya kumbare flats kobva kwaya majubek kobva kwaya matapi kobva kwaya kuchishawasha
Yeah, different areas.
majubek taataurani kobva kwaya matagarika kobva kwaya matererini kobva kwaya magaba kobva kwaya kumupedzanamo kobva kwaya kunational kobva kwaya kumanew line kobva kwazoya kumbare chaiko ndokuno ndombare uri kumbare mai manje usadhibe uri kumbare kwese kwaunoenda kwese unonge uchingopfuuro nemasabhabhu ekumbare nemasabhabhu edu mbare inoperera pamusika after mbare musika ka kunotanga zvimwe zvinhu zvina nebasa rezi Saka iwe waigara kupi kuChicago.
See that now America, it's a run different region, you know, because it's all about the side. You could be on the north side, but depending now what street you depend, you Belmont and Clark. You could be in Southside Chicago on 35th Street. You could be 45th Street.
I know that.
You not really have you have maybe one or two places, but it's generally known as the South Side.
No, but all right. You know what I'm trying to explain, nigga? When I went to New York,
no, New York run different.
New York when I went to New York,
Brooklyn, Bronx,
Brooklyn,
Queens,
Bronx, Queens, Manhattan.
Harlem, yeah, man,
you know what I mean?
Ferdinand,
You see
places,
Buffalo, New York,
yeah,
Niagara.
it's a big place.
Right.
Yeah,
Fort Erie,
yeah.
and all those things. So what I'm saying, with Chicago, there should be a place.
Yeah, that's how Chicago run. You have the south side is one ghetto, and you have the north side. You have Cabrini Green, another ghetto. You have west side.
Those ghettos supposed to have names.
Some of them have names. You can go Evanston, you can go Brixton.
Right.
On the south side, you have a place called Hyde Park. It's one of the
Hyde
places.
Park.
Yeah, man.
We have Hyde Park in Canada.
Yeah, man. There's Hyde Park, HYDE, on the south side.
We actually have Hyde Park. It's on Islington Station somewhere.
Yeah, and then there's a place it's called the Wild Hundreds. You know, but it's on 100 and something street. It's called the Wild Hundreds. It's another area. But me, I'm from State Street, 31st in Michigan. Yeah, man.
Okay.
Same.
A
long time in Zimbabwe now.
10 years?
10 years, yeah.
Holy shit.
Yeah, I'm just chill at Zimbabwe now.
Zimbabwe nice,
yeah, man. I'm just chilling.
Zimbabwe nice, yes. But anyways, my tabo.
Thanks, Rasta.
What do you say to my youngsters?
Yeah, man. Big up to the youths. All the youths, them big up on themselves. 2011, 2012, more blessings, more prosperity.
What about the
big
brother? The brother in the UK?
Big up Farai Munjodzi and all the Munjodzi brothers in the UK.
Okay.
To the maximum. Boom.
All right. Thank you very much. Sharp.
Wedzera
Wedzera Club.